Here's how to create your own AI chatbot using data from any source in less than 90 seconds. Go to Chatbase and log in. You'll find the link in the description below. Click on New Chatbot. Choose your data source. It could be document, text, website or Q&A. I'll choose website for this demo and create a chatbot for Thrive Themes. I add the main domain and the help pages and click Create Chatbot. You can now chat with your AI. Let's ask a couple of questions. What is Thrive Themes? And we instantly get the answer. Let's ask how to use smart automations. You can also easily embed the bot on your website. Set its visibility, enter the domain names where you want to embed the bot and click Set Domains. Copy the supplied code to your clipboard and paste it into your website. I'll just add a title to the page and save the changes, then preview the page to ask the AI bot a question here. That's all there is to it. You'll find links to Chatbot and the bot we created here in the description below. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.